We insert draw-off tabs in the view of the room with sanitary facilities. On the Water tab, select the Draw-off tap icon. We will have an element input window available. The assembly can be about 80 centimeters above the floor level. We select the properties and choose Pressure Flush for unit with WC. We will check what is the required pressure and water outflow standard on this draw-off tap. We can insert this draw-off tap. The reference function can be useful. For example, in which reference to the corner of a given room this draw-off tap should be placed. For example, 50 centimeters. You can see that it is a bit too close. We can move such a draw-off tap. We move it by 5 centimeters. I'm also moving the description of the draw-off tap. And so we can copy the inserted draw-off tabs, Ctrl-C, and insert Ctrl-V, 120 centimeters to the right, because this is the distance between our sanitary facilities. Once again Ctrl-V, but with a double distance of 240 centimeters now. Then again Ctrl-V, 360 centimeters, then 480 centimeters, and finally 600 centimeters. We have inserted all draw-off tabs. We can add to the draw-off tab a reference with a description. We do not have to repeat this in each subsequent draw-off tab, just select one of them and use the function Description Painter, available on the Action window or Modification window. After clicking this function, we can choose which description parameters we want to copy. I want to copy all. I click on these descriptions that I want to have a reference, and we have already inserted draw-off tabs and descriptions.